Hi everyone, I am Ankur from No Code Talks. Hope you all are doing great. Today we will talk about top 5 no code news of this week. TrustSwap announced Mint platform that will help you to build your own cryptocurrency without require any programming language knowledge or any coding language. TrustSwap is a full service digital asset ecosystem. Today announced the launch of the Mint, Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain token generator that allows users to create audited cryptocurrency tokens with no coding experience needed. Next news from Indonesia. Indonesia-based no-code website built at Type Dream raises seed funding from Y Combinator. So, Type Dream, an Indonesia-based website builder, announced that it has raised an undisclosed amount of seed funding. Y Combinator. So, the funding round was led by the Y Combinator, former Sequoia Capital partner Timothy Lee, Marketplace founder Ben Tosley, WordPress executive Adil Mukherjee, and Twitter founding engineer Blaine Cook participated in this round of funding. So the TypeDream startup founder Chandra built the company with 4 of his friends. The first is Michael, second Albert, and third is Anthony, and with the finally the Purti. So Apple has come into the no-code game. So recently Apple introduced a no-code AI platform. So Apple researchers including C.V. Krishnakumar, Iyer, Family Howe, Henry and Wong, and K and Sweta Ganguly and Vipul Pandey have developed a Trinity, a no-code AI platform for complex spatial data sets. This platform enables machine learning researchers and non-technical geospatial specialists to experiment with domain-specific signals and data set to solve various challenges. Trinity is a composed of a data pipelines, an experiment management system, a user interface, and a container deep learning kernel. So the next news is related to Glide apps. So Glide is introduces Glide 2.0. They have changed a lot and also introduced a new design system in place to build a good mobile apps and all. So they introduce a table layout. So basically now you can even add a table layout. In the Glide 2.0, Glide introduced tablet layout. So all app by default will be also supporting tablet. They have also worked on the Glide tables, and they have set up multi-step actions. And now you can even add a condition in the action in the Glide 2.0, and also they have made a lot of changes that you can go visit to their website and check it out. The next news is related to Adalo. So Adalo raises the second largest ever Series A funding in a no-code app space. So they received $8 million Series A funding. So this funding round was led by the private equity firm Tiger Global with other prominent investors including Wade Foster of Zapier, Jason Warner of GitHub, Ben Tosley of the Marketplace, Oceans, and other founders also. The latest funding round will help Adalo to expand into fully responsive web apps as well as to expand their marketplace beyond the third-party component to include template and the integration. So a very good feature for all the Adalo developer out there. So there's a lot of market will open by this round of funding. That's it for this week. Hope you have, if you have any question or any feedback for me, share it in the comment section, and also like this page and visit my super page.